So Bulgarians have an interesting dialect when it comes to swearing or cussing. There's a word, well, actually a few words that, I learned recently, and it's Maikete de boza. Maikete de boza. And if you guys don't know what that means, it basically means your mother is nice. A very nice woman. The nicest woman that exists on planet Earth. So people like to use this phrase, at all times of the day. Like, I'll be walking, I'll stub my toe, and I'll be like, Mike today, boza. And there's other times, where the internet will go out, and you'll just say, Mike today, boza. And maybe the third way to say it is if they give you some banitsa, and they forget to give you some ayran, you say, hey, Chuvek, Mike today, boza. Kede muito ayran. Hayde, as čakam, as nema vremi. Hayde. Dobre, merci. Lek večer. Ciao, ciao, ciao. So yeah, those are the ways, guys. So I'm learning a lot of things every single day. Bulgaria. Samo in Bulgaria. Hayde.